36 districts, Maharashtra is the richest state in India, even richer than Pakistan, starting from Palghar, home to India's first commercial nuclear power plant at Tarapur Nuclear Power Station, famous for Kelva Beach, Sapota orchards, and the heartland of the iconic Warli painting. Thane, the city of lakes, and the final destination of India's first passenger train in 1853. Mumbai suburban, home to Bollywood studios, Juhu Beach, the ancient Kanheri caves, the financial hub Bandra Kurla complex, and the bustling Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. Mumbai city, the smallest district, home to the iconic Gateway of India, the historic CST, Marine Drive, and the ancient Elephanta caves, along with famous temples like Sri Siddhivinayak Ganpati Temple and Mahalakshmi Temple, and beloved street foods like Vada Pav and Pav Bhaji. Raigad, home to the Raigad Fort, the unconquered Murud Janjira Sea Fort, and the beaches of Alibag. Ratnagiri, famous for the Alfonso mangoes, the sacred Ganpati Pule temple, and as the birthplace of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Sindhudurg, home to the sea fort of Sindhudurg, the beaches of Tarkarli, and the famous coastal dish Kombadi Vade. Kolhapur, famous for the Mahalakshmi temple, spicy Kolhapuri cuisine, and traditional GI tagged leather footwear. Sangli, known as the turmeric city, famous for its turmeric trade and grape production. Solapur, famous for Solapuri chaddars and the sacred Vitthal Rukmini temple. Satara, famous for the stunning Khas Plateau, strawberry cultivation, and home to the mighty Koyna Dam. Pune, home to sacred temples, ancient hill forts, and the birthplace of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Ahilyanagar, home to the Sai Baba Samadhi Mandir at Shirdi and the Shani Shingnapur temple. Nasik, the wine capital of India, known for Saptashringi temple, the sacred Trambakeshwar temple Jyotirlinga, and the iconic Harihar fort. Nandurbar, a tribal district known for the scenic Toranmal hill station and the GI tagged Tuar Dal. Dhule, a major producer of chilies, milk, and cotton. Jalgaon, one of India's largest banana producers and known for the spicy delicacy Sev Bhaji. Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, famous for the Ajanta caves and Ellora caves, the sacred Krishneshwar temple Jyotirlinga, and the historic Daulatabad fort. Beed, home to the Yogeshwari temple and known for its vast Sitafal orchards. Dharashiv, home to the revered Tuljapur Bhavani temple. Latur, famous for Kisan Halwai Peda and Nilanga rice. Nanded, home to the iconic Hazur Sahib Gurudwara, built by Maharaja Ranjit Singh in 1832 on the banks of the Godavari. Hingoli, site of the upcoming LIGO India Observatory project. Parbhani, known for the local delicacy Kadi Khichdi. Jalna, famous for steel plants, sprawling Mausambi orchards, and the GI tagged Jowar. Buldhana, home to the Lonar Crater Lake and the revered Gajanan Maharaj temple. Washim, the ancient capital of the Vakataka dynasty. Yavatmal, known for Tipeshwar and Penganga Wildlife Sanctuary. Akola, a major hub for cotton, soybean, and oilseed farming. Amravati, known for the scenic Chikhaldara hill station and the sacred Amba Devi temple. Wardha, home to the Sevagram Ashram, founded by Mahatma Gandhi. Nagpur, famous for its orange orchards, tiger reserves, and the Diksha Bhumi Stupa. Bhandara, the rice bowl of Maharashtra, famous for its GI tagged Chinur rice. Gondia, home to over 250 rice mills and the gateway to Vidarbha's forests. Gadchiroli, renowned for its bamboo and tendu leaf production. Chandrapur, famous for its coal mines and home to one of the highest densities of Royal Bengal tigers in its tiger reserves. Each district of Maharashtra tells its own unique story. Comment your thoughts and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.